We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. There is not much changes if you refer to my last analysis. The only thing is this is what we get. And at this point, we can consider this one as a flat in relative to this. If we get any opportunity for buy, we can take the trade, but we need to be really careful because if we because if we get any opportunity for buy within this range, we need to be really careful because we need to see whether the price can break 2.5 or not. I don't think the next move can be as sharp as what we have here, right? That's why if anyone wants to look for buy within this range, as long as the price haven't break 2.5, they need to be really careful. Anyway, we move to daily chart. If you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy since the price was here, and the targets we have been looking for was 2.2. After the breakout of the 2.2, we have been looking for 2.5. And right now we want to see whether the price can break 2.7, which is the all-time high or not. But if we refer to the indicators, one of the indicators showing us a divergence, but if we refer to the MACD, even at this point, we can look for the divergence. But if the price move a bit higher, it can disappear. Now the question is whether we should look for buy or not. It doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. But if the price continue from here, if we want to look for buy within this range, especially as long as the price haven't break 2.5 based on lower time frame, we need to be really careful. The best things is if this one turn to a correction, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. Anyway, we need to be really careful, and based on daily chart, we don't see the direct, we don't have any trade for buy. And the best, if you want to discuss, we have nothing to discuss based on forward chart. Is similar to what we have based on 1 hour chart. And the only thing is if you want to consider this one as a flat, and even if you want to look for buy, the only thing is we look for the reversal as a sharp move flag. In that case, we need to see the breakout of the 2.5, and the top, after the breakout of the 2.5, we're looking for 2.7. All right. By the way, having entry above this is not really a good idea unless the price tag the previous low. That means this one drops some more. Because if at this point we want to put our entry above here, simply the price can tag and drop. Having entry above this at this point is not a really good idea. Anyway, we can look for buy, but we need to be really careful because almost the price near to the, we cannot say is near to the all-time high, but as long as the price, because the all-time high is 2.7, as long as the price haven't break 2.5 following by 2.7, any trade, if I zoom, any trade within, which is this is a 2.7, any trade especially within this range, and as long as the price haven't break 2.7, we need to be quite really careful. We consider as a short-term trade. What I mean by short-term, if we get any opportunity for buy, we can take the trade, but as long as we get into the profit, we should know how to manage it, or at least move our stop loss to break even. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.